Welcome to today's video. This is your host, Mindwave. Explore the rich tapestry of psychology, a scientific journey delving into the intricacies of the mind and behavior as defined by the American Psychological Association. While its roots trace back to ancient Greece, around 400-500 BC, psychology has evolved into a multifaceted discipline, encompassing diverse subfields like human development, sports, health, clinical studies, social behavior, and cognitive processes. Venture into the philosophical foundations laid by influential thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, who pondered topics akin to modern psychology, memory, free will, nature versus nurture, and attraction. Embark on a captivating exploration of psychology's 150-year journey, witnessing remarkable advances. Uncover specialized branches like clinical psychology, social psychology, and developmental psychology, each contributing to our evolving understanding of the human psyche. Join us on this enlightening odyssey through the realms of the mind. If you like the video, then like the video, and hit the subscribe buttons and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.